just happened to be there, Fergus. Grease. I'll have a bit, yes. Why do you want it? It's best to use oil.
You got any oil then?
Yes.
Can I borrow that then?
It's actually Llewellyn's and I've got it.
Yeah, that's what I meant. Llewellyn one.
It's on my bed.
On your bed.
Right, you ready to go?
No, I'm very well not.
If you could hurry up, I'd be most grateful.
So annoyed. We're almost stuck in that drying room down there and someone's turned it off.
I know, it turned it off overnight. They always do that here. Really annoying.
Look, almost clothes are wet.
I know, so is mine.
I have to wear flatties today. Look,
Where what?
on spuds.
Flatties.
On spuds, yeah.
You mean ordinary trainers?
Yes, on spuds.
But those are your indoor trainers, aren't they?
Yes.
You can't, you've got to wear your outdoor ones.
There's no way I
You've
can
got to wear them.
There's nothing
Otherwise
else
you'll
I
have nothing dry tonight.
can do. And
You've
otherwise
got
I'll
to
get
wear the wet
chilblains
ones. You won't.
I will.
Everyone's got the same
Look,
problem.
Smell.
You mustn't do that. You've got to keep one pair for evenings.
There's
Otherwise
no
you're
way
really
I
up the
can wear
spout.
them.
It's a windscreen, like.
Yeah.
You've lost the
How many did you get?
all around the room on that.
It's down there.
Yeah.
I went there.
Wrong man. It's gambling with sweets.
I'll move in there. Let me
Big
go
break
leave
the
the 16 now then.
No, not from the time before. You only lose the ones from that go.
Alright. I'm missing a pig.
Otherwise, you couldn't win.
Actually, it says back to 0 there, and it says
Shouldn't be anyway. Yes, it's just like a way of saying that. Yeah. Alright, Matt.
Just recording the evidence.
Fun?
Just recording the evidence
Of what? That we're playing games?
of you eating sweets.
Oh no.
Oh no,
Oh no, there's
please,
too much
Mike.
sugar in it.
Have you found the other
Organically
cakes?
produced. No, it's, when you say what's
They're not
fun,
made of mashed up leaves.
where you say you threw the
No,
other
that's
things in.
too
Do you like mashed up leaves? There, try again. You're doing your Mr. Bean impression.
10, 11,
Look, yeah.
silly thing, 16.
Shame, right?
Mike, why have you got your finger over the red?
Because I'm playing with Ollie's watch.
And turning it off unexpectedly.
That's what
Yeah, I've only got
Oh,
Yeah.